Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on home services with Angie's List, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Angie's List website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the search bar on the home page. Type in the specific home service you need, such as plumbing or electrical work. Review the list of service providers that appear in the search results. Filter the results based on ratings and reviews from other users. Take note of any current promotions or discounts listed. Click on the profiles of the providers that interest you. Read their reviews to get a sense of their reliability and quality of work. Check their service offerings to ensure they meet your specific needs. Contact the providers directly through the Angie's List platform. Request quotes from multiple providers to compare prices. Ask about any seasonal discounts or membership offers available. Consider signing up for an Angie's List membership if you plan to use the service frequently. After receiving quotes, evaluate the overall value rather than just the price. Once you've made your choice, book the service through the platform. Follow up after the service is completed to leave your own review. This will help others in the community make informed decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.